it comes to ads, Google, the oracle, was that a monopoly? Ad blockers, because even Google's dominance needs a block. Good evening and welcome back to our breaking news coverage. Today, the US Department of Justice is taking on Google in a landmark antitrust trial. Let's go live to our reporters in the field. Prisha, you are live in Washington DC, where the trial is underway. What's the latest?
Thanks, Ritika. Yes, the DOJ is presenting its case against Google, alleging that the company has unfairly dominated the digital advertising market. We have heard from several witnesses, including industry experts and competitors, who have testified about Google's market power.
Thank you, Prasha. Aradhya, you are live in Silicon Valley, where Google is headquartered. What's the reaction being from the tech community?
Thanks, Ritvika. The tech community here is closely watching this trial as it has significant implications for the industry. Some experts believe that Google's dominance in the ad market is a result of its innovation and efficiency, while others argue that the company has used anti-competitive tactics to maintain its position.
Prisha, can you tell us more about the potential consequences of this trial for Google?
Yes, Ritvika, if the court rules in the favor of the DOJ, Google could be forced to divest some of its assets or change its business practices. This could have significant implications for the ad market and the tech industry as a whole.
Aradhya, what about the potential impact on consumers?
Well, Ritvika, if Google is forced to change its business practices, it could potentially lead to more competition and innovation in the ad market, which could benefit consumers. However, it's also possible that it could lead to higher costs and reduced services for the consumers. So it's both a gain and a loss for the consumer.
Thank you, Prisha and Aradhya, for your reports. We will continue to follow the story and bring you updates as the trial progresses.